Hello, first graders. This is Mrs. Smallwood again, and I'm here to talk to you about sorting by thickness. I was trying to decide what I could use to show you how to do this, and what I decided was, by chance, I just happened to look up here at my filing cabinet, and I have magnets up here, and I'm like, I decided this is great. This is what I'm going to use to show you how to sort. When you're thinking about sorting, remember, you have to think about whether something is thick, and I have it written right here. Or maybe if it's the opposite of thick, it's going to be thin. Okay, so we're going to sort by thick and thin. My magnets are either thick or thin. It doesn't matter what they look like. It doesn't matter how big they are. So what I want to do is I'm going to start out and I'm going to show you one of my magnets. This is a magnet, and I'm going to turn it to the edge so I can see the thickness. And I'm also going to get another one. I'm going to compare the two because this is going to help me. I'm going to see the difference between the two. So this one right here, if I look at this from one side to the other, this is thick. And if I look at this one from one side to the other, this is thin. This is wider. This is narrow. Okay, so I'm going to take my thick magnet and I'm going to put it under thick. And over here, this magnet, I'm going to put under thin. So I have two groups. I'm sorting into two different groups. So I'm going to just pick up a magnet. This is one of my favorites. It has a fawn and a mother on it, and it doesn't matter that there's a cute picture. What matters is the edge. So this one is, what do you think? Thick or thin? That's right, it's thin. So I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to come and I'm going to look at this one now. And if I look at the edge, if I compare it to the thin ones, this is definitely thick. So I'm going to put it over here on the thick side. Let's look at this one. I think this is one of my easy peasy lemon squeezy ones. If I turn it this way, what do you think it is? From edge to edge. Yes, you're right, it is thick. If I look at this one, look at the edge, what do you think? Yep, it's thin. And I'll do one more for you. Like I said, it doesn't matter the shape, it doesn't matter the color, it doesn't matter what picture is on it. We're just looking at the thickness of it. And in this case, it's not thick, it is thin. So we have sorted or separated our groups out, and we have a thick group and a thin group because we are looking at thickness. I hope this helps.